Right now the price of Bitcoin is falling towards the downside. It went way below $114,000. Is this the starting of a dump, or it is just a sideways market only? Well, let's get straight to the point. I'm on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and if you watched my last video, I told you all that yes, this is a small dump, I can say, kind of a sideways market only, and it is just a small correction, because if I zoom out you can see this is just a sideways market only, normal correction. And I won't say this is a dump, because you can clearly see we have seen some small sideways market on May also, in May and June. So yes, this is a small dump, but I still expect the price of Bitcoin to actually dump towards the downside like it is pumping for the past couple of months. Then it will be called a huge and a real dump. But right now the market is just sideways only. I mean, it is good that price of Bitcoin is seeing some correction, but yet I expect the price of Bitcoin to fall towards the downside. I mean, at least below $110,000. And yeah, that's it for now for Bitcoin, because I'm personally not taking any trade in BTC. I'm just watching the market, and obviously going short over here is just ridiculous. That makes no sense at all. And let's see what the price of Bitcoin has for us in the next couple of weeks. Talking about Ethereum, well, if you watch my previous videos, you already know I entered in a short position in Ethereum. I informed you guys through my video, and my entry price was somewhat over here at 4,627 approx. As of now the price of Ethereum is dumping towards the downside in my favor. So now I have already placed my stop loss at a entry point. So now this is no longer a, I would say, risky trade for me. Even if this trade goes against me, I'll end up in break even only. So that's it for now. Let's see what happens next for Ethereum. As of now my stop loss is approximately here at 3780. So let's see if the price of Ethereum can go all the way down till $3,700 mark or not. Talking about Solana, so if you have watched my previous couple of videos on Solana, I've already told you that many people will get trapped here, and exactly the same thing happened. All the 99% people who went long over here got trapped, because I knew that this is just a resistance, a very good resistance over here. So exactly the same thing happened over here. The price of Solana dumped towards the downside, and right now it is at a support of $175. So this is a very important support and resistance zone for Solana, from 167 to 175. And the most concerning thing right now for me on Solana is that the price of Solana is still above this zone. So this means that price of Solana is respecting this zone as a support, meaning that buyers are still interested in buying Solana. If the price of Sol goes below this zone, then only I'll consider this whole trend to be a downwards trend. But as of now the trend on Solana is just upwards only, and let's see what happens. I can only recommend you guys to be aware while taking any trade over here, whether it is long or short, because right now the price is at a very, very crucial moment, and the price of Solana can go anywhere from here. So it is better to not take any trade, but obviously it depends on you guys only. I'm personally not entering in any trade in Solana. Yes guys, this is it for today's video. It is a quick short video, and as of now there is nothing much in the price of BTC, Ethereum and Solana. I've already shared my trade update with you guys on Ethereum. It is going in my favor, so I have switched my stop loss from the original stop loss price to entry price, and let's see what happens next. Currently the market is sideways, and we are seeing a small dump in the price of Bitcoin, and obviously if Bitcoin is falling, then every other crypto is also falling. And let's see how this will end up. Also, if you want to trade crypto, you can do that on any centralized or decentralized exchange. You can create an account on couple of exchanges, centralized exchanges. Link of them are in the description below, or else you can create an account on any exchange you want, but don't fall for any scams. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.